at the hospital would be a once in a career opportunity. My name is Rob Berglin. I'm a project engineer at the Townsville Hospital and Health Service. The project, which is replacing 9 RMUs, 2 of the transformers and 5 circuit breakers. So I'm quite proud of the way we've handled it and the way Minelec have handled it. It's been a bit of a joint effort, and to be able to say that we've replaced this equipment in the time frame that we have is pretty cool.
My name is Mick Ward. I'm the Chief Engineer at Townsville Hospital and Health Service. The project is probably one of the last stages that we'll do to sustain and maintain our existing high voltage infrastructure network at the hospital. The intent is this infrastructure will set us up for the next 19 to 20 years. At the end of that, we won't be replacing switchgear, we'll actually be then replacing whole substations. So it'll be a much larger scale. And by that stage, yeah, who knows where the hospital is going to be at.